My name is Angie McConnell. I'm with PREMIER Bankcard in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. PREMIER Bankcard is a credit card company that offers credit cards to customers who may have had a problem in the past or just need help getting over that hurdle to get to the next spot in life. We have been partnered with Verint for nearly 2 decades, and because of that, we have had huge successes both internally and externally. We utilize knowledge management. We utilize their workforce management platform. We have the quality piece of it, and then speech analytics. With knowledge management, our team members are able to search and find those procedures necessary to help them do their job quicker, easier, faster. With the speech analytics tool, we're able to identify the true calls that we need to be reviewing. Workforce management has helped tremendously with scheduling. And then, of course, the quality platform for evaluating all those interactions. We would spend a lot of time looking for interactions that we maybe would not normally catch. So we're able to monitor roughly 4,800 calls now. We would get maybe a quarter of that if we didn't have the Verint solution recording all those interactions. When our customers call in and through that interaction, we're able to tell them something that we would do, we're able to take the speech analytics tool and look in the system and identify any areas where that didn't necessarily take place. So if a customer indicated that they lost their credit card and we can't see the credit card being lost on the system, we're able to go in and process that lost stolen for that customer right away. We've been able to make training enhancements, which has ultimately helped improve customer interactions, where our staff can better help those customers when they have those questions. Transcription accuracy is very important. As I said earlier, we depend on those speech analytics to identify the calls that we need to listen to. So the more accurate those speech transcriptions are, the better we're able to identify calls that we should be reviewing on and the actions that we need to take from there. To quantify it by saying that we haven't had a regulatory violation or we haven't had a lawsuit, there could be any amount of money on that. Do I think that it saved us thousands, if not millions of dollars? Absolutely.